Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chevy Sonic wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a smooth and easy blade replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab or button firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm. It might require a little wiggle. Always be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against the windshield, as this could cause damage. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. This ensures they are properly seated and ready for use. To finish up, test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Check for any streaks or missed spots, confirming even contact across the entire windshield. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular maintenance helps keep your visibility clear and safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.